Hello, I just wanted to make this quick video showing you how to back up your current Moodle course. As the email alluded to, we will have a new Moodle going into the 2018-19 school year. The one advantage of this new Moodle, it will be linked with Office 365, so students will be able to upload files directly from their computers in an easy single step. It also has a new cleaner look and added features with a mobile app available well too. With our new Moodle, we don't want to bring in all of the old courses. We find that there's a lot of courses that aren't being used or legacy courses of people that have left. So we've started with a fresh new start. So if you do have a current Moodle and you want to use it next year, make sure you back it up so when you come in September that it can be uploaded. So it's very simple. So here's two courses that I've created back when I worked at Victoria Park. So I'm just going to go into one of my Moodle courses. And yours might look a little different, your courses. You'll see that I'm using the Chrome browser and I have settings along the side. Some of you may see your settings turned on the left or the right. It depends on your screen resolution, what browser you're using. But I'm just going to go into my settings and I'm going to go back up. And it's going to give you a number of options if you want to include comments. Typically, I don't update or back up my courses with my student marks in it. I usually put that in obviously my Power School. So I don't usually typically keep a copy of that, but I'll just go next because I'm not going to keep that. Scrolling through, one of the things I don't want is I don't want these extra topics down here. You might want to keep them if you plan on adding to the course, but I don't need any of that user data. And I currently don't use any of this user data as well, so I can just shut off all of my user data. I don't need to keep that course. So no user data. I'm going to hit next. And I want to change my file name. It's going to give me a name, but I'm just going to keep my file name. This is a Fab 1050 course. And I'm going to go 2018. So I know, and I'll put a date on it too. So put a capital F. And just go perform backup. Now this is going to take a couple minutes typically to do, and it's going to be in the Moodle. So once this backs up, you're definitely going to want to store this file in your personal H drive, and I'd also recommend storing it and uploading it to your Office 365 OneDrive. It's nice having two copies of it in case something happens to one. We'll also keep this old Moodle active for another year. So for some reason, if your backup isn't performed or done correctly, we will still have all this data for another year so we can go back into our old system. So this backup was successfully created. I'm going to hit continue. You're going to notice here's my Fab 1050 course. I'm going to download it. Gets downloaded into my downloads, of course. It's fairly large here, 484 megabytes, so it's not small. It's a large course with a lot of tests. One thing we've done in preliminary testing is I've backed up and restored a lot of my courses into the new Moodle just to do some testing, and the good news is it looks like all my exams work and all my content's there, and it works really nice. So it'll be good to have the new look, but it's also great that none of my content will be lost. So it looks like it's almost done, and I'll go into my downloads. I know I'll have a lot of mess in my downloads. I'm continuously downloading things on a day. I'm just going to search for it, called it Fab. So here it is, Fab 1050. And I can copy that or cut that. I'm just going to copy that, and then I'm just going to drop it into my personal folder. I just paste it in here, and now I have it actually saving to my H drive. So it's a fairly simple process. When you come back in September, you'll just go into the new Moodle and go upload course, and you'll be able to upload it, and your course should be good as new, and you'll have students register in it. That's it.